this video, we are going to show how to create and update topic schemas in Apache Pulsar. We start by clicking on the Explorer. Here we can see all the tenants available in our currently active environment. The environment is always visible at the top right. We click on the demo tenant and we see all the namespaces in that tenant. Again, we click on the music namespace and we get a list of topics in that namespace. We want to manage the schema for our song topic. First, we see the topic overview. Now we click on Schema. Here we can see there is currently no schema on the topic. So we click on Create Schema. First, we select the type of schema. We can choose from JSON or Avro. And then we have to provide a schema definition. As you can see, for our song topic, I say there are a bunch of fields, which is an ID, an artist, and a title. Now I confirm, and just like this, we set a schema for our topic. If we now want to edit our schema, we do the same thing. We just click on Edit Schema, and again, we get the schema definition here. The one thing we change now is that we want to add a field to it, because we forgot to add that the song can also have a duration. For the type, this time we select the union type, that it can be null or int, because it should be backwards compatible. Again, we click on Confirm, and as you can see, we now can see the schema definition on our topic, and we also see that this is already the second version. If we ever want to compare it with another older version, we just click on the selector, select version 1, and we can see the definition of the first version here.